Hey guys, happy Monday morning. Hopefully you guys are had a good weekend and welcome back to school online, so to say, in these weird times. I gotta say, last week you guys did a great job. You guys are showing how to adapt and showing that you can do online learning despite how different it is. I know it's not the best of the situations, but then you're also home, so it's good and bad, but I'm sure you might be going crazy. Make sure you get outside. It is just beautiful outside. I was able to go for a walk today and took some pictures of different flowers and plants and trees. That flowers have been blooming and they're beautiful. I'm going to post a picture on this Canvas site of one of the trees I saw. If you find a nice picture of you outside with showing some cool flowers blooming, send me a pic and I'll give you some extra credit points. All right. But Miss Iliano and I, we miss you guys, and this is how we're going to have to do it for now. So we're starting a brand new unit. The unit's going to be on cells. So I'm going to go over the notes with you, and you're going to follow along. And on that notes, you are going to write in and fill out and send to me. Okay? So follow Canvas announcements. Keep checking your student email. Don't forget to pause this video if you need to. Sorry you got to listen to my voice for so long. I'll try to keep it short and brief. But I'm going to show you all about cells that you want to know. Okay? Um, Couple things here that you should know. If we look at the cells here, this is what we're all made of. And they could either be plant or animal. And all the cells have what's called organelles in them. Organelles. And they're all the specialized structures within a living organism. So you're going to write that in your notes about what organelles are. Also, we have the nucleus. The nucleus is in the center of the cell. You can see right there. And it is the control center. Think of it almost like the brain. And it contains the genetic material. So you are writing that in, okay? If you don't have a stylus, you can write that on your Microsoft Word, okay? You could type them out and send me the answers. That's fine as well, okay? Endoplasmic reticulum, otherwise known as the ER. They're like the hallways of the cell. If you look at it, it's like actual hallways. And they carry stuff, okay? So they are hallway system, hallway, okay? And it carries proteins, okay? Notice that they have some dots here. Those dots are called the ribosomes, okay? And the ribosomes make protein, okay? Protein is like things like your hair, enzymes. These are all things that go along with the ribosomes. Vesicles, okay? They're like your taxi driver. Taxi. They carry protein and bring them to the edge of the cell membrane. So they're like Uber. If you guys know Uber and Lyft, those are your vesicles. Under here, I'm going to write Uber slash. And don't be afraid to pause this video if you need to. You could pause it and make sure you're getting the notes in there as you're putting them in. Golgi bodies. Kind of throwing it all at you right now. You might want to listen to this video a couple times and practice. Okay. They're like what I like to call FedEx. You guys know FedEx or UPS or Amazon. They package they package protein. Sorry for my chicken scratch. Okay. They package protein for assembly. So they're like a FedEx factory. They're packaging it, putting it into its right spot, and then the vesicle will take it to where it needs to go. Cell membrane. Some people say that this might be the most important one. This is the gatekeeper. The gatekeeper. lines all the cells and allows things in or out. Okay? Very selective. It only lets certain things into the cell and other things it does not. Okay? We can't just let everything into the cell, then the cell would have some problems. So it's selective on what it could let in. Water, it lets water in. Okay? Only a certain amount. It lets water out. It lets proteins in, some proteins. It does not let viruses or bacteria in there. Okay? So there's some things that it does to help protect us and keep the cell safe. Cell wall is in plants only. Plants only. Okay? Only in plants. Outer edge of plant cells. And it provides more support. Think about a plant. A plant can't run. A plant can't move away from a predator. So they want to have a very supportive structure. So the cell wall goes around the cell membrane. Vacuole. We have them, but they're also mostly in plants. They store water. They're like a storage system. So if you need something, it's there for you. And they store water mostly because plants use a lot of water and they need a lot of water. And if there's a drought, they have to be ready for that. So they store water. Lysosomes, really important now because they kill toxins in your cell. So if you have a virus like coronavirus, lysosomes are going to track that down in your cell and kill it. Okay? They break down substances. Break down substances. Okay. Notice we need energy, guys. This is why you got to eat. The things that give you energy are your mitochondria. They're the powerhouse of the cell. We say powerhouse of the cell. And for our terms, that's okay. As you get into college, we go away from that term. But for right now, we say that because it provides energy, helps you to move, do things. That's your mitochondria. Chloroplasts, again, plants only. They perform photosynthesis. This is what makes them green. They take energy from the sun and they are green in color and make energy for the cell. So chloroplasts and mitochondria are very similar in that the mitochondria is more for the animal cell. Chloroplasts are more for the plant cell because they can take it directly from the sun, and that's why they're green. Inside here are these little structures which helps bring in sunlight and get energy from that. We do not have chloroplasts. You guys cannot eat the sun, even though the sun feels good and gives you some vitamin D. We can't eat it. Then the cytoplasm is all the stuff around it. That's like the jelly-like stuff. You guys know what jelly is a consistency of, okay? So it's jelly-like. The clear substance that all organelles sit in within the cell, okay? So please follow along. Fill in these notes as you get them. Is that all of them? Yep. And mostly realize that I have showed you animal and plant cells. We call these eukaryotic, whereby bacteria cells, they are prokaryotic. And this is an E over here, eukaryotic. Pro means no nucleus. Okay. I'm putting this on there. I'm putting a worksheet on there and a little coloring thing. They'll be due by Wednesday. Get your work done this week so you can enjoy Easter with your family. Take care of your mom and dad. Help around the house. Continue to do what you guys have been doing in these really tough times. Take care of your health. Eat well. Me and Miss Ileana will be available for conferences. For period 4 is at that right time of 10:20 to 11:15. I'll be available. You can check in during those times. Wednesday's a half day, so I'm not sure how that will work. But we're available for you if you guys have questions, okay? We miss you. We love you guys. We're here for you. All right. You're always welcome to check in if you just want to say hi. Um, and hoping for the best. And we will get through this, okay, guys, day by day. And enjoy being home. We're lucky. We're blessed to have what we have. And you think about so many people that are sick right now. And it's great to be alive. It's great to be healthy. So this is Mr. Adamucci signing off. We'll talk to you guys as always. Let's get through this, all right? Talk to you later. Bye.